Hey folks, let's talk about vector components. Vector components. Let's see what are vector components, okay? Then we will talk about why are they important and their applications and all everything. मतलब all the nerdy things बाद में देखेंगे. First, let's say you have this coordinate system. This is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. फिलहाल z को रखते हैं बाहर, चाहिए नहीं z हमको. Now, say you have this point P, which is represented by 3, 4. Okay, so how would you reach that point, right? So first you have to take 1, 2, 3 here. It means first you have to go at this point. Then you have to go vertically up to this point, right? Now you reached your point P. अब मैं कहता हूँ कि नहीं, मैं यहाँ से डायरेक्ट यहाँ ही तो जा सकता हूँ, है कि नहीं? दोनों पॉसिबल है, और भी पॉसिबल है यहाँ से यहाँ, 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 but those are very ugly paths. We will not talk about that. So जो डायरेक्ट इस पॉइंट से हम इस पॉइंट को जा रहे हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड योर पोजीशन वेक्टर. से ए इज योर पोजीशन वेक्टर. और जो पाथ हम x के अलोंग एंड y के पैरेलल ले रहे हैं, these are called the components of this vector A. Okay, say this is A x, क्योंकि ये along the x axis है तो ax, and this is A y. एक और पाथ भी था from here to there and then here. It pretty much the same. Okay, now these two values adds up to become this original vector. So these are called the vector components. How do we write them? Let's see. Okay, from our example we can say this is 3 and this is 4. So पाइथागोरस ने बोला है ये है 5. हमने नहीं बोला, पाइथागोरस ने बोला. अब लिखते कैसे इसको? लिखते हैं दिस इज ax, मतलब दिस वन आई कैप प्लस ay j कैप. आई कैप क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? आई कैप इज यूनिट वेक्टर in this direction, in the positive x direction. Unit vector. What is unit vector? Unit vector is a vector which has a magnitude of unit, or you can say magnitude 1. Okay, so this vector represents this tiny vector whose magnitude is 1 and direction is this way. Okay, why do we take unit vector? क्योंकि हमको इसका वैल्यू थोड़ी ना चेंज करना है, कुछ और से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सपोज दिस इज 2, तो ये तो 2ax हो जाएगा, राइट? इसका वैल्यू को थोड़ी ना चेंज करना है, तो इसलिए इट्स यूनिट वेक्टर. ओके, नाउ हाउ डू वी ब्रेक अ वेक्टर इनटू दीज मेनी पार्ट्स? ओके, सो इसका एक फॉर्मूला है. सपोज दिस इज योर वेक्टर एंड दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम्स. वेक्टर को लाल कर देते हैं मार मार के. ओके, सपोज दिस इज थीटा. this is A, or F, this is F. So this will be fx will be if only the magnitude cos theta. Okay, xy will be if sin theta. जस्ट बिलीव कर लो, यही है, अभी प्रूफ करने का वक्त नहीं है और मूड भी नहीं है, बट बिलीव कर लो। यहाँ से मैं दिखा भी दूंगा, यहाँ से देख लेते हैं। ये था हाइपोटेनस जो 5 था, ये 3 था, ये 4 था, ये 5 था, राइट। दिस वाज आवर ओरिजिनल वेक्टर, दिस इज x component, y component. Now we say 3 equals 5 into cos theta. Cos theta is 5 into this divided by this, which is 3 divided by 5. This gives us 3. हो गया प्रूफ? बस। तो this is vector component. So vector component is you take a vector and then break it into 2 or 3 vectors who are eventually perpendicular to each other. This vector is perpendicular to this vector, right? This is 90 degree. So this is pretty much the whole point of vector components. Now why are they important? Well, we can use them to simplify certain questions, especially when we are to add or subtract two vectors. Like if we want to add vector f with vector a, we simply do, this is vector, right? We just cannot add the magnitudes and we get the value. No, that doesn't work that way. So what we will do, we will take the x component of f, add it with x component of a. We will give it the I cap plus similarly with y component. How simple is that? And remember, these are just numbers, okay? These are just numbers. They don't have any direction because the direction is defined by this term only. Okay? We'll see about that in our vector addition class. So this is pretty much the whole part. Oh, this is template. I was making the template for the video.